Today, the internet is an indispensable part of our daily lives, connecting billions across the globe. But have you ever wondered about its origins? How did this vast network come into existence? Join us as we journey from its humble beginnings as a military project to the global phenomenon it is today. Our story begins in the midst of the Cold War, a time of intense technological competition. The Soviet Union's Sputnik launch sparked fears of a technological gap in the United States. This era spurred the creation of ARPANET, a project by the Advanced Research Projects Agency. Its primary purpose was to build a decentralized communication network, resilient to attack. Key figures like J.C.R. Licklider envisioned a global network of computers. Robert Taylor and Larry Roberts were instrumental in bringing this vision to life. In 1969, the first ARPANET connection was established between UCLA and SRE. This groundbreaking event demonstrated the power of packet switching. Soon, more universities and research institutions joined the burgeoning ARPANET. A pivotal moment arrived in 1971 with Ray Tomlinson's invention of email. The @ symbol became synonymous with electronic communication. As networks proliferated, a common language was needed for them to communicate. This led to the development of TCP/IP by Vinton Cerf and Robert Kahn. TCP/IP became the standard protocol, unifying disparate networks into one internet. The National Science Foundation took over the internet's backbone, creating NSF/NET. This opened access to academic and research institutions, but commercial use was restricted. Then came Tim Berners-Lee at CERN in 1989. With his vision for the World Wide Web, he introduced hypertext URLs and HTTP, foundational elements of the web. He also created the first web browser and server, making information accessible to all. His vision was an open, interconnected information space for humanity. The mid-1990s saw the lifting of NSF/NET's commercial restrictions. This paved the way for the emergence of internet service providers, or IIT. User-friendly web browsers like Mosaic and Netscape made the internet accessible to the public. This led to a rapid growth in internet usage, transforming how people connected. The late 1990s witnessed the dot-com boom, an explosion of internet companies. The internet became ubiquitous, with mobile internet, Wi-Fi, and broadband. Social media, streaming services, and cloud computing reshaped our digital landscape. Its impact on society is profound, influencing communication, commerce, and education. From entertainment to healthcare, the internet touches every aspect of our lives. Looking ahead, technologies like IoT, AI, and the metaverse promise even more transformation. The internet's journey from a niche military project to a global network is truly incredible. Its ongoing evolution continues to shape our world and humanity's future.